Dear children, this video is about second comments. The name of the comments for those comments is computer applications. The goals for this group are that by the end of these comments, you should be able to use the existing comments to write trade, enrich the information used while deciding, and correct trade. And finally, using the numbers you use to correct the computer applications. This particular area is often compared to 6 different things, each with its own unique characteristics and features, making it a fascinating subject of study and discussion. The first is start and management, and the second is area management. The second matter is language work, and we will talk about some grammatical rules. Then we will discuss identifying problems. We will get a case and try to find an idea. After that, we will talk about speaking, where we will discuss some currencies. Then you need to write a list. Then next, you have to write a paragraph about computer applications. Then next, you have to write a paragraph about computer applications. The last part is reading, thinking, and reflecting about computer applications. And the last part is reading, thinking, and reflecting. Let's take a look at the materials and topics that we will discuss in this area. First, of course, will be the beginning or the thinking. The second will be the first will be the starter or introduction, and the second will be my mother. In this group, we will learn to read and understand diagrams. This will be an area where we can use computer applications to simplify tasks. In the speaking part, we will discuss a process shown in the diagram. This will be an area where we can use some computer applications to make things easier. In the speaking part, we will talk or discuss a process shown in the diagram. You will talk and discuss the process of the diagram. In the speaking part, we will explore the process shown in the diagram. And in the writing part, we will write a description about the process. In the last part, the final section is the reading participation, where we will have computer materials related to reading data. And after that, you will have some questions that you need to get answers to from the computer materials. This is called understanding and comprehension, mention and understanding. With this knowledge, it will be a good course and a quick course in thinking and writing, answering the questions given at the end of the writing. Of course, after that, it will be writing in writing. With this knowledge, it will be a good course and a quick course in thinking and writing by answering the questions given at the end of the writing. Of course, after that, it will be writing and writing. Let's take a look at the diagram here. You can see that, so in the accepted sites, we will try to learn how to read the diagram at different levels and how to ignore. We discover information that is not important or related to the system. We will discuss sound usage and a sound correcting a process where the subject is less important. We will talk about a straight sound. They use it to correct a process where the subject is not important, but the process is important. There is a process where we will talk about how it works. Students can talk about the process A, sequence in which we will discuss how it works, and students who will describe or talk about process. Look at this. This is how you register with a car or an ATM. The teacher will talk about how the ATM machine works, how idiom machine works, and how you can use other credit cards online. Of course, in the exploration part, we will discover the story of how ATM sites work. Then there will be a reporting section where we will talk about reporting sites using computer sites, especially performance control. We talk about reporting materials using computer applications, especially graphic design. And at the reporting level, there will be questions, and in the end, of course, there will be the vocabulary related to computer launch.